Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 7 Human Settlements. Our today's point is urbanization in Brazil. Students, look at the images. Here are given some images of urbanization in Brazil. Now let's go through text. Urbanization in Brazil. Try this. Look at the table on page 49. It shows the growth of share of urban population in total population of Brazil. Draw a line graph from this table. Examine the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Brazil percentage of urban population from 1960 to 2010. Here is given the graph of Brazil's percentage of urban population from 1960 to 2010. Now examine the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the interval of the data? Sir, the interval of the data is 10 years. Question number 2. In which period did urbanization occur rapidly? Answer. Urbanization occurred rapidly in the decade 1960 to 1970. Next question is, write 5 sentences analyzing the graph. Answer. The graph can be analyzed as follows. Point 1. In Brazil, urbanization has increased from 1960 to 2010. Point number 2. During 1960 to 1970, the urbanization increased rapidly by 9.7%. Point number 3. During 2000 to 2010, the urbanization increased with lowest speed by 3.1%. Point number 4. Though urbanization has increased from 1960 to 2010, it has increased by diminishing rate. Point number 5. In the coming few years, almost all population of Brazil will be the urbanized population. Geographical explanation. Brazil is one of the few developing countries which is highly urbanized. Brazil is highly urbanized country because there is the mild and humid climate of southeastern coastal regions. There is the availability of plenty of water in the southeastern coastal regions. In Brazil, there is the availability of fertile land in the southern and southeastern coastal regions. Besides these things, there is availability of deposits of natural minerals like iron ore, availability of transport facilities, availability of steady energy supply, etc. in the southern and southeastern regions. So, Brazil is a highly urbanized country. However, because of all favorable factors in Brazil, there is a high urbanization. Brazil's urban growth process is very different, very unique than other countries. There are a number of things which are affected to the urbanization of Brazil. One of them is economy of Brazil. And economy of Brazil plays very important role in the urbanization of Brazil. The definition of urban is not very clear in Brazil. In Brazil, rapid urbanization happened mainly in the south and southeast, with Sao Paulo emerging as a major metropolitan and industrial areas. Looking at this growth in few parts of country, the government is promoting Go West policy, which will reduce pressure on few areas where population is concentrated and will reduce regional imbalance in the country. Here is given the symbol of Go West policy in Brazil. What is Go West policy? Let's understand in detail about Go West policy. In Brazil, rapid urbanization has taken place in the south and southeastern parts, especially in the state of Sao Paulo. Urbanization is found to be low in the western and northeastern part of Brazil. To avoid concentration of human settlements only in specific regions, the government of Brazil has promoted the Go West policy. This policy will help in reducing the pressure of population on few areas. This policy will also help in reducing regional imbalance in the country. Study the choropleth map of Brazil showing the state-wise urban population of Brazil and answer the following questions. Here is given the choropleth map of Brazil which showing the state-wise urban population of Brazil. Question number 1. Which state in Brazil is the most urbanized? State Sao Paulo is most urbanized state in Brazil. Question number 2. Which state is the least urbanized in Brazil? State Pará is the least urbanized in Brazil. Colors of both. Compare the line graph shown in figure 7.5 and one drawn by you for Brazil, and the line graph drawn by you in question number 8.5 for Brazil. Write few lines on the changes in urbanization that have occurred in both the countries with time. Let's compare. Point 1. In India, the percentage of urban population has increased from 18% in 1961 to 31.2 to 16% in 2011. In Brazil, the percentage of urban population has increased from 47.1% in 1960 to 84.6% in 2010. Next point, in India, though the percentage of urban population has increased from 1961 to 2011, fluctuations in the growth rate of urban population can be seen per decade. In Brazil, though the percentage of urban population has increased from 1960 to 2010, diminishing growth rate of urban population can be seen per decade. Next one. Make a short note on comparison between settlement patterns in India and Brazil. Figure 7.1 and figure 7.2. On the basis of following points: location, pattern, types, and density. First, we are going to discuss about location. Figure 7.1a, there is given location river basin. Figure 7.1b, there is given figure of the coastal region. Figure 7.2a, there is given figure of the lowlands of Amazon river. Figure 7.2b, there is given the image of Sao Paulo. Second point is pattern. The following patterns are shown. Figure 7.1a, there is found nucleated type of settlement. Figure 7.1b, there is found linear type of settlement. Figure 7.2a, there is found dispersed settlement. Figure 7.2b, there is found nucleated settlement. Let's discuss about the types. The following types are shown. Figure 7.1a, circular type of settlement is found there. Figure 7.1b, linear kind of settlement is found there. Figure 7.2a, scattered settlement is found there. Figure 7.2b, star-shaped kind of settlement is found there. Let's see about density. The following density of human settlements are shown in figure 7.1a. There is found high density. In figure 7.1b, there is also found high density. In figure 7.2a, there is found low density of population, whereas figure 7.2b, there is found high density of population. Let's understand next activity. Observe the two satellite images given on page 49. Describe the settlements with respect to physiography. Considering the physiography, where could these settlements be located? Find out their settlement patterns and limitations with respect to their future growth. Answer is, the two satellite images are located at the base of mountainous region. They are dispersed settlements. Due to inaccessibility of mountainous region, the future growth of these settlements is difficult. Use your brain power. Which factors have affected urbanization in Brazil? By using your brain power, you have to write the answer of given question. Next point is geographical explanation. As you can see from the map, urbanization has occurred more in the coastal areas, coastal states, than the states in the interior of the country. As we see towards map, we come to know that urbanization is occurred more in the coastal states than the states in the interior of the country. States like Sao Paulo, Goiás, Minas Gerais have more urban population than states in the north. As population is less in Amazon River Basin and Brazilian highlands, because we have seen Brazilian highland suffers drought condition and Amazon River Basin is inaccessible or wetty land. Most of the area of Amazon River Basin is covered by rainforest. Therefore, in Amazon River Basin and Brazilian highlands, there is less urbanization. In this part, Manaus is a port on the confluence of Negro and the Amazon. Confluence means junction of two rivers, River Negro and River Amazon. Manaus port is located on the junction of River Negro and Amazon. River Negro and River Amazon meet near the Manaus in Brazil. As its effects, urbanization has occurred here. It means urbanization is occurred in Manaus port because of the junction of two rivers, Negro and Amazon. Write a paragraph on the settlement pattern, urban and rural settlement and urbanization in India and Brazil. Let's discuss about the comparative study on urbanization in Brazil and India. In Brazil, the rate of urbanization is comparatively higher, and in India, the rate of urbanization is comparatively lower. In 2011, the rate of urbanization in India was only 31.2%. On the other hand, in 2010, the rate of urbanization in Brazil was 84.6%. In India, the rate of urbanization increased from 18% in 1961 to 31.2% in 2011. In Brazil, the rate of urbanization increased from 47.1% in 1960 to 84.6% in 2010. In India, the rate of urbanization has increased continuously from 1961 to 2011. In Brazil, the rate of urbanization has increased from 9 to 2010. Now we are going to discuss settlement patterns in India and Brazil. In Brazil, nucleated and dispersed settlements are mainly seen. On the other hand, in India, nucleated, dispersed, linear, star-shaped, etc. settlement patterns are seen. Let's discuss about the urban settlements in India and Brazil. Compared to Brazil, the percentage of urban settlements in India is very low. In 2010, the percentage of urban settlements in Brazil was nearly 84.6%. On the other hand, in 2011, the percentage of urban settlements in India was only 31.2 to 16%. Let's understand about the rural settlements in India and Brazil. Compared to Brazil, the percentage of rural settlements in India is very high. In 2010, the percentage of rural settlements in Brazil was only 15.4%. On the other hand, in 2011, the percentage of rural settlements in India was nearly 68.8%. Let's have a look on urbanization of India and Brazil. Urbanization has taken place in most of the regions of Brazil. On the other hand, urbanization has taken place in specific regions of India. In this way, we have seen urbanization in Brazil and comparative study on urbanization in Brazil and India.